So I got a thing. I got a head strap mount for my GoPro, and I decided I'd give some of you some point of view driving clips. Some of you have been asking in the comment sections, like, oh, give us some point of view driving shots, and maybe that's a good way to also hear the exhaust. I'm gonna make a dedicated video to my exhaust once it's finished with the dual exhaust tips, because I don't want to make it now and then have to make it again of how it sounds, because I know having the dual tips will make it sound a little bit different. So that'll be a separate video. But this video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys some point of view driving of my car. I'm gonna try and find the most twistiest roads possible. I'm gonna mount up the camera up to the sunroof and keep the mic like right here. So I'm gonna put all the windows down. It's fairly nice outside today. It's not too cold, so I should be okay. Just do a little bit of point of view driving, and that'll really be it. Wish me luck driving with this thing on, because I put it onto my forehead, and I don't want to put it onto my forehead because then I don't want it to show too much ceiling, and I don't want to put it onto my chin or whatever too low and show too much steering and legs and not enough, you know, windshield. I want it to be just perfect, so I strapped it up just perfect enough for me to like, I strapped it up perfect, just to the point where it's like on my mouth. I tried getting it to the center of my nose as much as possible, but also I have to worry about visibility. I have to be able to see, you know, everything has to be perfectly fine for the most part, because if I have this on my face, I probably will get pulled over, so I don't want to be driving a little too much. And then on top of that, I just want to make sure that I'm comfortable and I can see and all that stuff, and then you guys could also see. So we're gonna, obviously the microphone on the GoPro is garbage, so I want to use the microphone on that. So once I get this all strapped up, I'll have the microphone ready right up here on the sunroof. And yeah, maybe we can get some nice point of view shots. So enjoy this video, guys. My nose is like really hurting. So if you guys thought I was kind of driving slow or too easy on the brakes, or I'm too scared, first of all, I need front brake pads and rotors. My brakes are cooked. The tires Henry gave me are bald, so if I at least had my reps on, I'd be cooking it on this turn because I love this turn. I take this on the way home all the time. I hope the shots came out cool. My nose is really like, it feels funny right now because now my face got used to the strap being on it. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this little point of view thing that I just did. It was really fun. I want to do that again, but like when my car is like perfectly like ready and done and set. And then I'll also get like a nice little suction mount to put right on my back bumper. So then the exhaust tips sound is output into the video. And then it'll be shots from the inside. So it'll seem like you can hear it exactly how it is. But either way, the mic never does it justice. It does sound better in person. So yeah, that's really it for this video, guys. Quick update, my back bumper is already at the shop. It's being painted, so that's gonna be happening super soon. But update on the car's perfectly fine. I want to do an 80,000 mile, review so far, how it's been so far, even though I haven't had it for 80,000 miles, but I've put 15,000 miles on it. So I think I'm due for a little review on how the car has held up, how it's been, and how much maintenance I've had to do and things of that nature. But yeah, that's really it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace out.